Okay, we're going to start this week by, well, first of all, we finished all the unpacking sort of from last night. I got laundry started. I got dishes done. Got some stuff put away. I've got to go pick up medication now and a few things for lunch. We are going to go grocery shopping after work today, but, there's some things that we need that can't wait. So I'm going to go get that done. And I have put away a lot of stuff except for in the art room. The art room's a mess. So we'll work on that when I get back. I'll be back. Got so much done. Got some more cleaning and purging done that I wanted to do. I got most of the stuff in the art room cleaned up and put away. We're going to visit family this summer, so I have a bunch of bald eagles to make. So I got that all put together, and I'm tired. But I got everything done. I'm so happy I did. I got a Mother's Day card that I need to put up on the wall at some point. I have to find my other AirTag. I think it's in my suitcase. And put them together. Otherwise, they stay in the bag, and then I don't know where they are. It's not good. I got some stuff sorted and organized in the drawing desk, and so now I have a travel art drawer, which I love. So when I'm going on a trip, I can grab my black bag, I can open the drawer, and I can pull out the bits and pieces I want to bring. There's a couple of journals in there I've been working on when I do travel. And yeah, that's going to work out really good, I think. Anyway, all right. I'm going to put the purge stuff out in the garage. I'm going to get myself some more water and make sure I took my calcium and I didn't just leave it laying around somewhere. I think I took it. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, you guys. It's been a bit since I picked up the camera. I don't even know when, as usual. It's Tuesday, early evening, 5:21 p.m. Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. Wednesday. I told you. I'm all off. I babysat yesterday and today because we didn't get home until like midnight Sunday. So the kids gave me the day off. And I got some other stuff done. Things are a little chaotic, and I'm going to be just staying home working on projects for the next couple of days because I don't have a car. So the kids bought a new house, sold the old one, had to close on that. Then they had movers moving stuff out, including my grandmother's table, which they had. It's around 200-ish years old. Movers dropped it. So it's out being repaired. Then my son-in-law's truck was parked in front of his house. They were having dinner. Somebody lost control of their vehicle, and while the other driver is fine, he totaled his car and my son-in-law's truck. Then my daughter's car started having mechanical issues, so it's in for repair. So there's just a lot going on all at the same time. So I've told them, son-in-law got a rental, and I told daughter, just take my car. It's fine. I don't have to go anywhere in the next couple of days. Don't worry about it. So that's okay. I'm going to stay home and work on projects, and that'll be fine. So I'm going to just sit here, drink my water, which I haven't had nearly enough today yet. So I'm going to work on that. I'm working on finishing the last of the cotton I took with me on vacation. I still have a little bit left that I want to work up into washcloths. And then we're going to start making American Eagles for my visit to my dad's in July. I gave my daughter a bunch of stuff when she was dropping the grandson off and picking up my car. Her real estate office was having a fundraiser donation thing for a women's shelter. And I'm like, really? I had just cleaned out some dresser drawers. So I gave her a bag of clothing and some bags and a bunch of stuff that I didn't want to let go of unless I had a really good place to give it to. And so I got rid of a big giant bag of stuff. And it went to a good cause. So anyway, that's it for the minute. I'm going to do some knitting and let's just listen to some random nonsense on YouTube. No. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. Hi guys, I just thought I'd show you really quick how I turn trinkets and things that I find when I'm traveling into stitch markers. And the lighting is a little weird. Hang on. Yeah. Let me see if I can fix the lighting. Hang on. Okay, that's a little better. All right, I just got back from a vacation with my husband to Missouri. Why Missouri? Why not Missouri? So I picked up a number of little trinkets, including a smash penny, and I do this whenever we travel. And then I come home and I make them into stitch markers. Sometimes they're little charms like these. We did stop at Buc-ee's. And sometimes they're keychains. We went to a couple artists markets and I found these cute daisy earrings and a couple other things. So, and this was also, I think, from Buc-ee's. It's a little Highland cow. I want to kind of try to turn him into a stitch marker. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that exactly, but we're gonna try. So the first thing you have to do is like take everything apart because. So I'm going to take some of these keychains and take the keychain part off. I don't throw it away because we don't do that. We save it to be reused, but I'm going to leave this big jump ring on here and close it back up. I found this Pennies from Heaven necklace, and it's got a couple cute things on it. It has my initial on it. So I am going to take these off of the chain if I can. There we go. And there. And there. Okay. And then the earrings. And we're going to keep doing this until everything is disassembled. The only one I might have to do something different to is the little Highland cow. So I think I have to poke a hole in him, in his head, so I can get a wire in there and a loop to attach the jump ring. A jump ring. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take all of them apart. I'll be right back. Okay, that took a little bit of doing, but we've got a loop in his head and another loop on that, and it's in there with some E6000. I need to get something on my smash penny. I have some small split rings, and that might work. Maybe. Let's see. can be a little fiddly, but okay, got it. All right, the little Buc-ee's charms. These little hooks are too small to use it as a jump ring. That's too small. If you're gonna just use it as a charm on something, that would be fine. But for what I'm gonna use these for, that's too small. I use these, which are an earring part. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with these. We're gonna take the little clip off. There we go. Open the jump ring, take that off, put this one on, close it up. Make sure it's closed well. And then we have a Buc-ee stitch marker. So I'm going to do that to everything and I'll be right back. Okay, I now have a bunch of cute stitch markers to add to my collection. We had plane changes in both Houston and Denver. So like this one I picked up, this Lucky Penny one is from the Denver airport. We went to the Titanic Museum when we were in Missouri. So these are from there. These are from a local artisan shop, artisan mall. And so I just, picked things up everywhere we went, and yeah, love it. So I have quite a collection of these now, but I don't intend on stopping anytime soon. They're too fun to collect, make, use. So I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do, whether you end up using them for charms or you end up using them. Oh, I see one I forgot to do. A little box of cookies. Anyway, I'll fix that off camera. When you need tools like this for your art, think outside the box and use something unusual. These are really, yes, I could just use plain plastic stitch markers, but these are more fun and more of a conversation piece and bring back, fun memories of travel and visiting places and people. And so it's Sunday and it's almost, I want to say 4 o'clock. I don't think that's accurate. It's after 3. I forgot to close the vlog last night. Well, I didn't forget. Things are still crazy and hectic and chaotic. Still some extra babysitting, helping the kids because they're not quite done with moving. And when I'm not doing that, I'm making bald eagles. This one's not done yet. He needs his hat and scarf. All of them have hats and scarves. The pattern for the basic eagle is not mine. I will link the Etsy shop down below. It is from Etsy and it is a pack of different birds. And then the hat and scarf are mine. I made those up. But here's a picture of the eagles that I have done at the moment. He's number 3. I need to make 7. We're going on another trip over the summer to visit my dad and a couple of my siblings. And we're going to go to Niagara Falls. And we're going to go to Maryland to visit a niece and her family. And I'm bringing every household a bald eagle. So anyway, yeah. So other than what you've already seen, that's all I've been working on because I've been busy making eagles. I also haven't had a car because the kids were borrowing my car because one of theirs got cracked up. I have no idea if I said that already. Somebody ran into their car while it was parked at the curb in front of their new house and totaled both the kid's car and the driver's car. Yeah. Anyway, so they've been borrowing my car, so I haven't had a chance to go anywhere. I did order a few things I wanted via Amazon mostly, and we did go out yesterday and run a bunch of errands. I don't think I filmed any of it. We went to Costco, we went to Target, we went to Winco, we went to Fred Meyer, we went somewhere else, I can't remember. Like just a whole bunch of places, because some of which I would have gone and done on my own. Like Fred Meyer was picking up medication, but I didn't have a car, and I don't drive Bob's truck. And when I was free, I was working on these, and I wasn't, or babysitting. So anyway, it's been a crazy week. But that's okay. It's 2026. It's a crazy year. And I'm still finding time to be creative and, having piles of drawing stuff or yarn or something. So anyway, that's it for this week. I hope it gives you some ideas of stuff you can do and inspires you to be creative. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Leave questions, comments, or concerns down below. The most important thing, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.